Our industry-leading carbon calculator has been developed to project a forecast of carbon expenditure on any particular project, product and construction activity that we undertake. Through each part of a project, from ECI to closeout, Tarmac can forecast design carbon outputs, demonstrate carbon efficient savings found through the ECI process, and optimise designs and associated savings. Once on site, automated technology linking our digital planning tool, asphalt manufacturing, haulage and on-site laying equipment will provide a real-time carbon footprint for each tonne laid. Warm asphalt now offers a significant carbon saving to our clients and is our default offering through all bound layers, base, binder and surface courses. Leading product technology allows for Tarmac to offer an industry-leading low rolling resistance asphalt, resulting in offsetting the manufacturing carbon cost. PAVE Tech Solutions. Available now.